We are the next generation challenger bakery, albeit we're 130 years old, just over 800 employees. We have around about 90 delivery routes and a similar number of trucks.
To make sure that we get that finished product to 2,000 customers all over the country, 7 days a week, 364 days a year. I think digitalisation is important for anyone now in any business, but especially for us when we're delivering to a high volume of customers on a daily basis, to have an end-to-end solution that not only provides us with information and data on where our vehicles are, where our products are, but also meaning the invoiced end of the business, i.e. the business end, the bit that we get paid on, can be done quickly to take out the volume of paperwork that we have done so far has revolutionised that side of our supply chain. We operate 51 routes a day, anywhere up to 35 drops on per route. Each one of those deliveries had anywhere up to 3 pieces of paper. So that 3 pieces of paper times by 51, we've removed somewhere near 2.5 million pieces of paper, and obviously everything associated with it. And with the integration to SAP, it means our credit, finance and customer services teams can see completed PODs as soon as they're coming back in and they've been confirmed by the customer. We were saving the equivalent per week of around 180 admin hours at a very base level. So it's made a huge difference to automate vast parts of our business.
Training the Movilizer app on a device wasn't very difficult at all. I think I learned to use it in about 3 hours. So anybody that is used to a smartphone or a mobile device will be able to pick this Movilizer app up very easily. Since the Movilizer app has came in on the device, it's helped our daily routine. It's saved me probably between 30 and 60 minutes per day.
Positive changes of introducing the mobile solution was the ease of making changes to our standing orders. We can also make adjustments with the driver rather than making a phone call to the bakery. Before, we make adjustments could take up to 48 hours, but with the mobile solution we can make the change for the next day. The restocking is a lot faster, which has made availability better, and we've seen an increase in sales. The availability is better for the customer.
Once a customer has signed on a Movilizer device that they're happy with their delivery for that day, the information will then go back into the system, and within an hour it will get sent back to them. It's got a proof of delivery. They can question any queries that they may have, whereas before when we had paper it was all done by post and it could take up to a week for them to receive it, so this is a massive improvement.
And that's critical to us in terms of being a challenger brand. You know, we need to use insight and be able to spot opportunities in the marketplace. We can't do that if we're processing paper days after we've actually delivered product to our customers. So a real opportunity there that we identified and we're delivering on in terms of just getting up to the minute live information that we just weren't able to get before. The integration into the back end of SAP meant we were able to both streamline our activities and get information back much more quickly. And that's critical to us in terms of being a challenger brand. You know, we need to use insight and be able to spot opportunities in the marketplace. We can't do that if we're processing paper days after we've actually delivered product to our customers. So a real opportunity there that we identified and we're delivering on in terms of just getting up to the minute live information that we just weren't able to get before.
We're now in the position where we've given drivers the ability to interact with customers almost the way that they always have done, but using a platform that's quick, it's easy, it's agile, and on top of that, because the drivers were so heavily involved in the design of the system, they love it.
You know, and that trust and relationship in terms of people is absolutely fundamental to us as a business. You know, we don't want to operate in a mechanical way, so being able to cultivate those relationships has been really important. The whole opportunity around mobility, capturing information as it's happening, where it's happening, is key to us. We're not capturing information as quickly or as effectively as we possibly can. There's lots of opportunities there.